Hello everyone, in this video I'll be diving into my YouTube AdSense earnings for the second quarter of 2024. Now if you missed my Q1 2024 earnings video, you can find the link in the description box below. Check it out. I share these updates quarterly, so if you find this kind of content helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to stay updated. Just a quick note, this isn't about showing off. My aim here is to educate and demonstrate the potential of even smaller channels like mine to earn through YouTube. Let's see what's possible together. That said, let's jump straight to it. Okay, so I'm on my YouTube studio right now and I'm in the analytics tab, as you can see, and I have filtered the analytics tab by Q2 of 2024. That is from April 1, 2024 up until June 30th of 2024. And I'm going to run you through some key statistics. First, beginning with number of views. So in Q2 of 2024, I had 75,500 views. And that's up from around 69,000 views in Q1 of 2024. So it's a somewhat significant increase. And as you can see, my views fluctuate throughout the week. It's usually higher on weekdays due to the nature of my content. Most of my viewers watch my content on the weekdays and fewer number of viewers watch them on weekends. So you can see my views hover at around 1,000 or so on weekdays, and on weekends that number dips to around 400 to 600. So it's significantly lower on weekends and higher on weekdays. Next, we will move on to the watch hours in Q2 of 2024. So my public watch hours in Q2 of 2024 was 2,600 hours, and that's up from 2,400 hours in Q1 of 2024. So that's an increase of 200 hours. As you can see, again, similar to the number of views, my public watch hours are the highest on weekdays, and it's usually anywhere between 30 to 50 hours on weekdays. And again, it dips to around, say, 15 to 20 hours on weekends. And the day in which I had the highest watch hours was Thursday, June 6th. And I had well over 50 public watch hours on that day alone. So that's amazing. Next on, moving to number of subscribers, I gained 230 new subscribers in Q2 of 2024. And that's up from 178 new subscribers in Q1 of 2024. Speaking of subscribers, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on my future videos. And as you can see on this graph, I gained anywhere between 0 and 7 subscribers per day in Q2 of 2024. And the average was between 2 and 3, say 2.5 new subscribers a day on average. Moving on to the revenue. So my average daily revenue in Q2 of 2024 was $2.64, and that is also a jump of around 25 cents from Q1 of 2024. As you can see, similar to my views and my watch time hours, my earnings are the highest on the weekdays and they dip on weekends. So on weekdays I made anywhere between $3 to say $5-6, and on weekends that number was significantly lower, anywhere between say 40 cents to $2. That's how much I made on weekends. And finally, I uploaded a total of 3 new videos in Q2 of 2024. And that wraps up my channel's performance in Q2 of 2024. I release these updates every quarter. So if you're curious to see how things progress, make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. If you're considering starting a YouTube channel or you're just beginning your journey, keep in mind that success doesn't happen overnight. Bruce Lee famously said, "Long-term consistency trumps short-term intensity." Remember, consistency is the foundation, patience is the pillar, and passion is the spark that ignites your success. Start by creating content that excites you. Your growth might be gradual, much like mine was, but with persistent effort, you'll see your channel flourish. Thanks everybody for joining me today. I know many of you have questions about Excel, data analytics, freelancing, and also becoming a YouTuber. While I love interacting through comments, I'm thrilled to offer something even better: Personalized consultations are now available on TopMate. This is your chance to get tailored advice and strategies specific to your needs. We'll tackle your unique challenges and set you up for success. I hope this video sheds light on what you can achieve on YouTube. If you're interested in more insights or have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.